Good morning, students. Hope you all are doing well. Today we'll be learning the 13th chapter, which is symmetry. So please open your book and we'll start 13th chapter. Symmetry is quite a common term used in day-to-day life. When we see certain figures with evenly balanced portions, we say they are symmetrical. These pictures of architectural marvel are beautiful because of their symmetry. Suppose we could fold a picture in half such that the left and right halves match exactly when the picture is said to have line symmetry. We have seen that two halves are mirror images of each other. If we place a mirror on the fold, then the image of one side of the picture will fall exactly on the other side of the picture. When it happens, the fold, which is the mirror line, is a line of symmetry or axis of symmetry for the picture. You can see in the picture, for every images there is a line of symmetry which will be goes exactly in the center of the image. The shape you see here are symmetrical. Why? When you fold them along the dotted line, one half of the drawing would fit exactly over the other half. How do you name the dotted line in the figure 13.1? Where will you place the mirror for having the image exactly over the other half of the picture? The adjacent figure 13.2 is not symmetrical. Can you tell why not? Making symmetrical figures. Ink blot devils. Take a piece of paper, fold it in halves. Spill a few drops of ink on one half of the side. Now press the halves together. What do you see? Is the resulting figure symmetric? If yes, where is the line of symmetry? Is there any other line along with which it can be folded to produce two identical parts? Ink string patterns. Fold a paper in half. On one half portion, arrange short lengths of strings dipped in various variety of colored ink or paints. Now press the two halves. Study the figure you obtain. Is it symmetric? In how many ways can it be folded to produce two identical halves? List a few objects you find in your classroom, such as the blackboard, the table, the wall, the textbook, etc. Which of them are symmetric and which are not? Can you identify the lines of symmetry of those objects which are symmetric? Figures with two lines of symmetry. A kite. One of the two set square in your instrument box has angles of measures 30 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree. Take two such identical set squares, place them side by side to form a kite, like the one shown here. How many lines of symmetry does the shape have? Do you think that some shapes may have more than one line of symmetry? You can see there are two lines of symmetry. Now we'll consider rectangle. Take a rectangle sheet like a postcard, fold it once lengthwise so that one half fits exactly over the other half. Is this fold a line of symmetry? Why? Open it up now and fold on its side on its width in the same way. Is this second fold also line of symmetry? Why? Do you find that these two lines are the lines of symmetry? A cutout from double fold. Take a rectangular piece of paper, fold it once and the once more. Draw one design as shown. Cut the shape drawn and unfold the shape. Before you unfolding, try to guess the shape you are like to get. How many lines of symmetry does the shape have which have been cut out? Create more such designs. Figures with multiple lines of symmetry. Take a square piece of paper, fold it into half vertically, fold it again into half horizontally. You have folded it twice. Now open out the fold and again fold the square into half for a third time now, but this time along a diagonal. As shown in the figure, again open it and fold it into half, but this time along the other diagonal. As shown in the figure, open out the fold. You can see there is 4 lines of symmetry for a square. Now, how many lines of symmetry does the shape have in a equilateral triangle? You can see when you fold it properly, then you will get easily 3 lines of symmetry for an equilateral triangle. We can also learn to construct figures with two lines of symmetry, starting from a small part as you did in exercise 13.1. Question number 4. For figures with one line of symmetry, let us say figures is shown alongside. We want to complete it so that we get a figure with two lines of symmetry. Let the two lines of symmetry be L and M. We draw the part as shown to get a figure having line L as line of symmetry. To complete the figure, we need it to be symmetrical about line M. Draw the remaining part of figure as shown. The figure has two lines of symmetry, that is line L and line M. Try taking similar pieces and adding to them so the figure has two lines of symmetry. Some shapes have only one line of symmetry, some have two lines of symmetry, and some have three or more. Can you think of the figure that has six lines of symmetry? Symmetry everywhere. Many road signs you see every day have lines of symmetry. Here are a few. Identify a few more symmetrical lines and draw them. Do not forget to mark the line of symmetry. The nature has plenty of things having symmetry in their shape. Look at these. Leaf, starfish, crab. The design on some playing cards have like symmetry. Identify them for the following cards. Here's a pair of scissors. How many lines of symmetry does it have? So everywhere, wherever you are seeing in the nature or anywhere, you will find symmetrical line of an object.